What do you want?
Your head. Your blood. Go. Go fast. Go. Keep going. Go fast. Move. Now. Fast.
My daughter. Where will I set eyes on? Hi. I hope you are safe wherever you are.
Good day. Did I not warn you never to step your foot in my compound?
Mama, please calm down. This is not the time to be angry.
Listen, calm down. You took my daughter away. You got her pregnant in a very funny way with that thing, without even paying her bride price. Eh? And now you're here telling me it's not time to be angry. Okay, forget you don't know God.
Mama, I'm sorry about all that, but this is not why I've come.
So why are you here?
Mama, there is a big problem. Olivia is missing.
Hey! You're here to tell me Olivia is missing.
Mama, Olivia left the house with the kids.
How do you mean Olivia left the house with the kids?
Mama, I came back from work last night and I noticed that Olivia had left the house with the kids. I've gone to the police to make entry.
Hey! 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 No!
Hey! Mama, I've just told you the truth.
You use my daughter for ritual.
I didn't mean what is going on?
What is going on? Remove your cap. You know what is going on. This man took my daughter away. Mama. He has used that for ritual. Now, what told you well and
It's okay. It's okay. Leave him alone, eh? Let us call the other elders and listen to this.
I will not leave him until all the elders are here.
Young man, if our daughter is dead, tell us so that we know how to go about it. Don't come here and tell us stories.
I am not lying to you. I've told you she left the house on her own.
Oh, Biko, you have used my daughter for ritual. Money ritual.
The way this issue is going, I want to believe that you have used our daughter for money ritual.
Ichie, I am not a ritualist. I did not use your daughter for ritual. She left the house on her own. I've come to tell her mother that my wife left the house with the kids.
What did you just say? Listen, let me not just hear you call Olivia your wife. Because I cannot remember when we gave the hand of our daughter in marriage to any man. You ran away with this girl. You ran away with Olivia.
Ichie, I know you are angry about all this, but please listen to me. I came back from work and I found a letter on a table, and I've gone to make a report at the police station.
You used my daughter for money. I mean, what is this story about her leaving the house with the kids? She didn't write nothing. She didn't even make a call. Do you think she's a child?
Mama, her phone has not been going. It has been switched off.
Oh, very convenient.
Look, young man, I don't know how you would do it, but you have to provide our daughter here and now.
I do not know her whereabouts. I don't know where she is.
Let me ask you one question. When did you run away with our daughters?
I did not run away with her. She came to me.
Answer him. When did you run away with our daughter?
About 5 years ago now.
And how many kids has she?
Just 2.
2 kids. And you never cared to come and tell us. Now that you have used her for ritual, you don't come in to tell us she left the house. That.
Ichie, I am not a ritualist. I've not used your daughter for anything. I've come to tell her mother that my wife left the house with the kids.
Okay, let me tell you this. You will not leave this place until you have told us what you did with our daughter.
How do I explain this? How do I explain this?
Explain it the way we all here will understand. Where is our daughter, Olivia?
You don't want to talk? Eh? Well, you have 2 options here. You have to swear before Orami or accept that you have killed our daughter.
Okay, I have to go and talk to my father first.
No way. No way. You want to play a trick? You have to go to Oramili and swear that your hands are clean.
You see, I have to go and talk to my father. At least let him know where I am and what is going on.
Hey.
Okay, wait. We have to go with you.
I'm going with all of you.
No. Sit down. Wait, it is not women affair. Sit down. We'll deal with this issue. Ide? Yes. Go and open your car. Ide? Wait.
I'm coming along.
No.
I'll be enough space.
No, sit down. Don't worry. Enter.
Onyento. Where you going?
So it is true. When a man becomes a ritualist, he abandons his family. Look at me. I am dying. No food, no drugs. Yet, I have a rich son like you.
Papa, it's a wrong story.
Obonna, did I offend you in any way? I sent you to the best university in the country with all my life savings. Yet, you left me to die, to suffer of hunger and starvation. Is it fair, Obonna?
Papa, I am sorry. I am sorry about all that. But there is a matter of life and death. I have been accused of...
I'm glad that you are here. At least I can die knowing that you are alive.
So your father knows that you're a ritual killer.
It is now clear you killed our daughter.
I am not a ritual killer. I did not kill anybody. I did not kill anybody. I did not kill my wife.
We are taking you back to our village. You will accept the responsibility of killing our daughter and pass through the punishment of killing Wada or swear an oath before Ramili that you are innocent.
I am not going anywhere with you.
Yes,
I will not go anywhere with you. Rather, I'll go to the police and give myself to be arrested.
You are going with us. We are not begging you. We are forcing you.
Where?
I need to talk to one of my uncles.
Okay.
Ide, let's go inside.
Let's
Go.
inside.
Let's go. Come and open your motor. Come and open your motor. Let's go. Ide. Enter the vehicle. Let's go.
Good day.
What do you want in me?
There, I'm in trouble.
I knew it. I knew it. So you know the road to my house because we are in trouble. I never knew that rich men like you would be looking for poor people like we.
Okay. There is trouble.
Why will you not be in trouble? You are wicked. Get out of my compound.
Hey. I need to go and talk to another of my uncle. Yes.
We cannot follow you to any other uncle. We are the ones offended here. We are taking you to Olamini
Sete!
I am not going anywhere with you people.
Hey. Wait. What did you just say?
I said I am not going anywhere with you people. Yes, that's what I said.
Did I hear you well?
It's all right.
Now listen to me. If you fail to go with us as a normal human being, you will go with us as a madman. Let's go.
Oh, yes.
Let's go to Ramili. Open the car. Open the car. Open. You are still standing. I said, come inside.
Can you come get Can you come get Sipo Chimia Mataramoso I'll send you Maka I come on the water I come on the water Listen, no I come on the water
You did not see my daughter alive. Tell them that. Are you okay? Hope you're okay. Yeah. As a worker, what's gonna kill my daughter?
Young man, where are you not looking? Eh? Or you want to use my head for ritual? Or maybe I am stronger than you. I am a strong man.
Don't have all the time in
this. The people from this village know you as a ritualist. Huh? Nemesis have caught up with you. Eh? You cannot kill the daughter of Omunaka and get away with it. We have taken him to his house, and his father confirmed that he is a ritualist.
He did not deny it either.
Where is our daughter?
I do not know where she is. I came back from work and I could not find them.
Them?
Yes, with my kids too.
Did your father call you a ritualist?
I am not a ritualist.
Did he call you that?
Yes, he did.
Why did you use our daughter, your wife, for money ritual?
I did not use my wife for money ritual.
Can you swear before Oramiri?
I cannot swear before this. I'm a Christian.
We all are Christians, aren't we?
You see? He knows where our daughter is.
Your father knows you are a ritualist. Go and bring him here. Once he confesses you are a ritualist, we shall lay a curse on you if you refuse to swear.
I know my father spoke out of anger, but I'll go and bring him here.
Don't even try to run because Oramiri is watching you. Now go.
Your hand smells of smoked fish.
And who am I?
Even if I'm dead, I know these palms.
My love. Did I keep you waiting?
I can wait for you for ages. I love you. So what kept you so long?
I was cooking vegetable soup for my mother. And you know what? I think you should come to the house and take some.
I will cook the same soup for my father.
Cook?
So, where are you going to?
Okay, I'm going to the farm to pick palm nuts.
Okay. Oh, I've told you I don't like that. I don't just like it.
Yeah, really?
Yes.
You don't like it?
Oh,
I don't
stop
you
it.
don't like it.
Okay.
I know you're
What do you want?
Your head, your blood. Go. Go fast.
Did I not warn you? Never to step your foot in my compound.
There is a big problem. Olivia is missing.
You're here to tell me Olivia is missing?
Mama, Olivia left the house with the kids.
Hey! No!
Hey!
Oh,
I've just told you the truth. I want to believe that you have used our daughter.
Iche, I am not a ritualist. I've not used your daughter for anything.
Well, you have two options here. You have to swear before Oramiri or accept that you have killed our daughter.
So it is true.
When a man becomes a ritualist, he abandons his family.
So your father knows that you are a ritual killer.
It is now clear you killed our daughter.
I am not a ritual killer. I did not kill anybody. So you know the road to my house because we are in trouble. I never knew that rich men like you would be looking for poor people like me.
Now listen to me. If you fail to go with us as a normal human being, you will go with us as a madman. Let's go. Yes. Let's go to Ramili.
Your father knows you are a ritualist. Go and bring him here. Once he confesses you are a ritualist, we shall lay a curse on you if you refuse to swear.
So when you finally leave for the city, I'll stay in this village and be missing you.
When I go and settle down, I'll come back and pick you with me and put you by my side where you are meant to be.
My love, I cannot wait to be your wife.
And I cannot wait for you to be my wife either. I love you.
I love you too. Yeah, I think you should go back now.
Go where? Where? Home? No, I'm following you to the farm.
No, you can't follow me to the farm. Go back and prepare
I have
Papa's
to follow
meal.
you. I must follow you to the farm.
Go and prepare vegetable soup for Papa.
It's okay. I'll see you. I don't like this thing you're doing. I don't just like it, eh? I told you I would come back soon and take you along with me.
No.
Eh?
I want to go with you now. Now.
You know it's not possible. It's not possible. You can't go with me. So grab my hand. Eh? No.
I want to go with you.
Don't worry. Let him go and settle down. Then he'll come back and take care of you. Eh, Olivia?
No, Papa, he's not going to come back. When he gets to the city now, he will see all those city people with big nkwanya. He will forget me. I want to go with you. You are laughing.
I am not laughing at you. I am not laughing at you, my dear. See, I want you to stop this, okay? I will come back for you. Definitely. Oh? See, I always want you to come and help Papa with house chores. Okay? Good. Papa?
Oh, my son.
I will run along now. I'll send words to you when I get to the city.
It's okay. Bye. I wish you traveling mercies.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
I go to see me now. Stop now. If only I can set my eyes on you again. Papa.
Yes, what is it?
Papa, I'm in a problem. A very big problem. My wife is missing and her people are very angry about it. They are accusing me of killing her for money ritual.
What do you want me to do?
Papa, I want you to follow me to Manaka and tell them that I'm not a ritual killer.
Why would I do that? How sure am I that you are not a ritual killer? When you live the life of a ritualist, and you want me at this age to tell lies? When I'm about to make a journey to the oblivion, I will not do that.
Papa, I am not a ritualist. Please follow me and tell them that you didn't mean those words. I know you spoke in anger.
I never spoke in anger. Go there and tell them the truth.
The truth?
Who will speak for me? Who will speak for me?
What are you doing here? There is a big problem. Please, I need you to help me talk to my father. Please.
You want me to talk to your father? Yes. If I help you to talk to your father, who will help you to talk to me? Eh? Ogbonna, you are wicked. You are wicked just like your late mother. How could you turn your back on us? Eh? My wife died. Visit, you did not visit. Call, you did not make. Not even a message. Now you want me to talk to your father. I will not do it.
Dave, I am sorry. I am sorry.
Don't just waste your time. I will not do it.
Dave, I'm sorry for neglecting all of you. Papa, please listen to me. I have been accused of killing my wife. And if you don't follow me to Ramili, I will be in trouble. Papa?
In any condition, don't be your judge. Live up to God, live up to judge. Live up to God. In any condition, don't be your judge. Live up to God.
I just need one person to believe me. I need one person to believe me. I do not know where my wife is.
Did you have any problem with her?
No.
So how can you tell me she just left the house with the kids?
It was my old neighbor who told me that she left with the kids. I thought they went to church. When I got inside,
Uncle Joe, good evening, sir. Good evening. Do you know if my wife is inside? She left this morning. She left this morning to where? Where did she go to? How would I know? Didn't she tell you that she was going somewhere? She didn't tell me anything. Maybe you thought Good night. Thank you, sir.
Dear Obonna, I have tried many times to find peace and love with you, but it never came. I want to tell you that I have found peace. I have found love. I have gone to stay with the father of my children. Don't look for me because you will never find me.
No, this can't be true. This can't be true. Hey. Uncle Joe? Uncle Joe? Uncle Joe?
Yes?
Hey!
What is it?
Uncle Joe, I'm finished.
Huh?
I am finished. Hey! Hey! Oh, my wife left with the kids. Can you imagine?
Your wife?
Yes!
Left with your kids? How?
She dropped a letter on the table saying that she has gone to meet the father of her kids. Can you imagine? Kujo?
I saw this coming. Many times I wanted to speak with you, but you were always busy.
Uncle Joe, how could Olivia done this to me? I have been a good husband to her. I've provided all that she wanted. What else?
You are wrong here. You haven't been a good husband. I've been watching. Do you think providing a woman with money, good food and good house is all a woman needs? She needs your attention. She needs your time.
Uncle Joe, this is no time for blames.
No. I am not blaming you. I'm only telling you the truth. This woman has never felt like a woman with you.
Uncle Joe, I need my wife and my kids. I need them.
Just go to bed.
I should go to bed?
Yeah, go to bed.
My wife and my kids are missing. You're telling me to go to bed?
No, they are not missing. She only went to seek for happiness and love. Excuse me.
I am trying to believe you, Ogbonna. But there is a rumor in the whole community that you are a ritualist. Onyogwego. And that is why you cannot take care of any of us. And that is even the reason you are not ready to look after your father.
Day, please, believe me. I am not a ritual killer. I am not. Day, I am a very busy man. I don't even have enough time for my family.
Your cousin Ushina came to your house in the city when he was writing his project to seek for your help. But you did not help him.
There, I can't just remember all these things. And I can swear before anything that I did not kill my wife.
Then go and swear before Ramiri.
Day, you wouldn't allow me to swear before that, would you? Those people are wicked. They are very wicked. They might plan evil for me.
It is all right. I'll go and talk to your father. Let me pick my walking stick.
Thank you so
Yay! Bang, bang, bang! Yay! They open door, it's me. We have to forgive him. We have to wait for some time. I know my brother. He's still angry. When I come back and talk to him later, I know he will listen to me.
What goes up now, surely come down one day. The truth must prevail. The world will go see him. Yes, you could have put a relief on in any condition, don't be a judge, live up to God, live up to judge, live up to God.
Day, yes. Please, I want you to follow me to my wife's place.
Did not tell you to come with me, did they?
I just want someone to tell them that I'm not a ritual killer.
You said they wanted your father to do so. Now you are saying it's someone else.
That is because you called me a ritual killer before them. So they are holding on to it.
I'm not the only one who called you a ritual killer. Your father did. Besides, everyone in this community knows you as a ritualist.
I am not a ritualist. I am not a ritualist.
We shall know later.
So can you go with me?
No. We shall wait until your father's anger subsides. Then he will go with you.
Dad, can we now go and talk to my father?
Let us wait a little while.
Dad, let's go. There is no time.
Yo, Juku, open the door, it's me. Yo, Juku, open the door. Yo, Juku, open the door. This is very much like him.
Yeah, are you sure he's inside?
He should be inside. Since his sickness became serious, he has not been going out. Alueme.
Then what is it?
We have to force the door open.
What happened? What is it?
We have to force the door open.
Wait, I can push it.
No, don't worry, I will do it.
Are you sure you can open it?
I will open it. Yes, please.
Papa? 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 Hi!
Hey! My brother died a wretched man. Yet, he has a son who is a rich man like you. I hope he will forgive you. Hey!
Ogbonna, you are ready to swear? Are you mad?
I am ready to swear.
Take off your shoes and step forward. Take this kola nut inside this calabash and eat it.
Eat it. Don't waste our time.
Okay. Can I say something?
It is too late now. Once you get to this point, you have nothing to say. Eat the kola nut. If after 3 days you are still alive, it then proves you are innocent.
This is done.
Yes. So, you will leave now.
Okay.